A great day. Today I will be sharing an easy way to break the password of a protected worksheet in Excel. As you can see, this Excel worksheet is protected. I cannot edit it. However, there is an easy way. Let me save it first in a desktop folder by replacing my existing file.
Here we are. First thing to do is to locate the file. Secondly, right-click on it and rename or change its file extension to zip and click enter. Third, double-click to open the file via zip extractor and open the Excel folder. Then open the Worksheets folder and there you can find a file named sheet1.xml. Fourth, copy the sheet1.xml file to the folder where the original file was saved. Fifth, right-click on the copied file and open it with Notepad. Sixth, find the protection. Just press the Ctrl+F shortcut and type in protect. Then carefully follow the tutorial on screen and delete its protection algorithm and save it or Ctrl+S. Seventh, copy this file back to its location in the zip extractor and replace the existing file and delete the file from the source folder. Lastly, rename the zip file back to its Excel file extension, which is XLXS. There you have it guys, the protection has been removed and I can now proceed to editing. Thanks for watching and I hope it helps.